Embarking on a journey in real estate investment is akin to sailing on the high seas. The right financial partner acts as the sturdy keel of your vessel, offering stability and support to weather the storms of fluctuating markets, ensuring you reach your destination unscathed. Empowerment Funds emerges as that reliable partner, offering a diverse range of real estate loans tailored to suit your investment needs, be it in commercial or residential sectors, or even if you're looking to breathe new life into an old property. Commercial mortgages, a key offering from Empowerment Funds, are the backbone of any burgeoning enterprise. These loans are specifically designed to help investors purchase or refinance income-producing properties. Commercial properties can range from office buildings and shopping centers to hotels and warehouses. With Empowerment Funds, you have the power to transform these spaces into thriving businesses. Next on our list are renovation loans. These are the magic wands that can transform your distressed property into a dream haven. Empowerment Funds provides renovation loans that cover not only the purchase price but also the cost of repairs and upgrades. Unleash your creativity and increase your property's value with a renovation loan. And finally, residential mortgages. Whether it's your first home or an investment property, residential mortgages from Empowerment Funds can make your dream a reality. These loans are designed to help you purchase or refinance a home, offering competitive interest rates and flexible repayment options. Eligibility for these loans varies, but rest assured, Empowerment Funds has a dedicated team of professionals ready to guide you through the process. They'll assist you with the required documentation, advise on the best loan type for your situation, and ensure you understand the terms and conditions before you sign on the dotted line. Empowerment Funds takes pride in the success of its clients. Countless investors have seen their strategies flourish with the financial support and expert guidance provided by Empowerment Funds. Their testimonials are a testament to the trust and confidence they place in us. So whether you're an experienced real estate tycoon or a novice investor, don't let financial hurdles stand in your way. Reach out to Empowerment Funds, apply for a loan, seek personalized advice. Let Empowerment Funds be the keel to your investment ship, steering you towards success in the vast ocean of real estate investment. Because with Empowerment Funds, your financial empowerment is our mission.